Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day, headed to my storage. I got a call from my brother-in-law yesterday, driving Queen Bee around, supposed to be finding himself a vehicle so he could give mine back. Somebody busted a window out of it. So on my way to my storage to see if I have said window, which I believe I do. It will need to be tinted a little. Then I'm going to go look at a vehicle for him. And then I'm going to put the window in Queen Bee and head back down to Socorro. Finish paint prepping. The daylight. Checking out this Volvo for my brother-in-law. Don't look like it's got any oil out here. Turbo might be okay. I'm gonna check it out. See if he's gonna move forward on this thing. This thing is cleaner than normal. Looks like the timing belt was done at 172. Radiator doesn't look old. They cleaned up the engine, but for some reason the battery is bone dead. Somebody's replaced this battery cable, which I guess could be good. Man, they got this thing cleaned up pretty good, and it's not horribly. So the car looks real good. I think it has a minor rear main seal leak. The car lot's pumping regular unleaded in the dang thing. 86. And the PCV's about needing serviced again, so that's where it's at. Gotta replace the glass on Queen Bee. Somebody knocked the glass out when my brother had the car. What I'm gonna do is test out my new vacuum cleaner my sister-in-law got me for my birthday. Let's see how this works. I'm going to do a use and review of the Sharper Image multi-function wet and dry vac for your car, 12 volts. All of the attachments except for the large one and the hose was down inside the container. You undo it with the clips. Let's go ahead and clip it back together, hook up a hose, and see if it will help me get glass out of this car. Clip together quick and easy. The hose is a little stiff, but hey, it's brand new. Let's go ahead and turn the accessory on, fire up this switch, and see if it sucks up some glass. It does not have hard suction, but hey, it had suction hard enough to pick up pieces of glass. So that's all the glass that it sucked up. That's all I was shooting for today, so I wouldn't have glass in my rear end while I tried to replace that window. So thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Off. I got the pins pulled out of the two pieces that's left of the window. I got the window rolled to the right height. I went by the shop. Thomas was kind enough to sell me a couple of these to replace them on the replacement glass I have. So let me go ahead and wedge these off and put these on the replacement glass and get this glass installed. You got to take this seal and everything out of these back doors. It's kind of a pain, but you got to do what you got to do. So let me get these popped off of here and try to maneuver this replacement glass in. It's real common for those clips to be broken so that the pins can't hold them in, and sometimes that'll cause the window not to track right. See, that one's got a chip broken out of it there too. For now, I'm going to leave the door panel off. It's got this little scratch here, not a big deal. But I'm going to go ahead and work on tinting this glass and then putting the door panel and stuff like that on. So let me go ahead and get down to Socorro so I can get back to Albuquerque. Back with the 850R, stripping it down so they can change the color. Let's get started. Got all done stripping Karen's car down. We just could not get her door handles off. The screws were in too tight in the latches. Got to take the latches loose to pivot them out of the way of the door handles. As you can see, I'm cruising along here. 27.5 miles to the gallon at 80 miles an hour. That's how it's supposed to be. So, cruising right along, headed back home. Think I'm going to check somebody's car for some kind of drain on the battery. And then see what my brother-in-law is going to do, if he's going to end up getting that 850 or not. More weed action. Looked like somebody hit one and exploded it. There's a couple on the side of the road, running along the side of the road. The wind is bad today. Also, you'll see them stuck in the guardrail. There's one there, flying down the street. They get bigger though. They get as big as the tires on your car, or a little bit bigger. Let's see if I can find a big one. In New Mexico, look at that desert out there. Nice and flat. Come around here, you got clouds up there. Over there, you got dirt and wind blowing. Look like there's a little bit of rain up there in the mountains. Beautiful. Beautiful. Got a little traffic here though. One of them cars up in front of me had a couple of big tumbleweeds pressed up against the grill in the front of the car. Came back on the trip from Socorro, 29 miles to the gallon, 28.8 on the scan gauge. So did good. Looked like it rained today while I was gone. Parking lot was flooded. So let's shut it down, see if this person's going to come for us to check their battery draining situation. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.